Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Sarur Kalam in front of you, and today I would like to share an interesting topic, and the topic is the importance of consistency. What does that mean? Consistency means doing something continuously or regularly, even when it is worse or critical. It is one of the most important quality for achieving success in our life. Talent is valuable, but consistency is what that talent into achievement. Consistency is very essential or crucial for us. For students, consistency means studying every day a little, but instead of studying only before examination. For athletes, consistency means practicing regularly to improve their skills. At the same way, learning English requires practice consistency in speaking, reading, writing, and listening. Staying consistent helps us to develop good habits, improve our confidence, and reach our goal step by step. Even though the process is slow at the first time, but it will be a great achievement at the last time. However, consistency is not always easy. Sometimes we feel tired, exhausted, lose motivation. But when it is very critical time, we have to do something. We have to continue our activities in that time. During those critical days, if we continue our activities, we will become a great version of ourselves. So we have to do our level best to reach our goals. In conclusion, consistency is a long-term success. Taking daily efforts can lead us a better way and become our stronger version. So I'd say that this is the importance of consistency. Hope you guys having a good time with me. Thank you so much for listening me patiently. That's all. Assalamu alaikum.